So, good morning, friends. So, I have not given video for a long time. So, today I have come. Uh, I have come to give you a video. So that would be a sort of update, like how I'm doing and what I'm doing and how I am right now. So on the onset, I'm very doing good. I am slowly coming out of my anxiety and depression, whatever I had. So how I'm coming out of it. I mean, I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, it's I'm right now at 8, means 80%. There is 80% improvement. I'm taking only one medicine at the moment, very nominal medicine. So my goal on depression, anxiety, and whatever schizophrenia, mm, and anxiety, depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, it comes like a package now. So that is my goal on that is you don't be uh, cowed down upon by those feelings. Those feelings are very transient. Those feelings are very transient. So, uh, like if I tell you that from the point I was in and from the point I'm at today, I have an 80% improvement. Then how did I improve myself? I improved myself by constant positive talk. These are very transient things in your life. Neither they're going to affect you for a long time, neither they're going to stay with you. Believe me, I have suffered a lot and I know. But if you start taking medicines for that, if you start taking medicines for that without without thinking of the long horizon, then you are going to be in trouble. You are going to be in trouble. What kind of trouble? It will affect your nervous system, it will affect your entire system, it will make you gain weight, it will it will it will it will destroy your mood, um, destroy your mood. Believe me, it destroyed my mood. Only thing I can tell you which made me out of this is exercise, exercise, and some yoga. Don't depend upon the total yoga part, because yoga, your mind at the time of depression or anxiety is racing with negative thoughts. So let me tell you, those who tell do meditation, do meditation, do meditation, your mind will not be able to do meditation. First, you have to do physical workout, physical workout, physical workout to control your mind, to control my mind. After doing a lot of endurance training, physical endurance training, physical endurance training, lifting weights, doing HIIT workout, high intensity interval training. High intensity interval training. Slowly, your mind will calm down. It will calm down, and it will come to a point where you can control your mind. You can control the depression. You can control your anxiety. You can control anything in this world. So my suggestion to people who are using these medicines, these SSRIs, I have made a list of this. I do a lot of studies. I do a lot of studies. I do a lot of studies in computer vision as well as all these things, because I don't have much work now. Mm, because since the time I have, means I've taken a break from everything. So the time I get, I do lot of reading. So I do have a lot of jobs as other jobs as well, but I do a lot of reading as well. I mean, my main funda in life right now is how can I gain more and more knowledge about my body, my feelings, and everything else put together. So there are some very bad drugs like trazodone and lithium. Trazodone and lithium, which is not a good drug. It will cause you problem. It has caused immense problem in my life. It has caused immense problem. I'm just trying out my specs that which looks better. Sorry for that. I have lot of problems. Trazodone and lithium. No. So I take this list every time I visit my psychiatrist. Adrenergic alpha 2 receptor. Adrenergic alpha 2 receptor antagonists. Problematic drug. Problematic, highly problematic drug. What type of problems? Lot of problems. Starting from getting a brain fog, starting from getting a choked nose, starting from getting a blurry vision, friends, blurry vision. My vision has cleared off 90% because of I took vitamins to clear off my vision. I researched the vitamins. Nobody told me to take vitamins. I went to the eye doctor. The eye doctor told me your eyes are fine, 6/6 vision. Visual acuity is 6/6. I will show you the prescriptions. So I told, okay, let me try it my way. So vitamins for eyes. MAO inhibitors. They are not prescribed anymore in anywhere, but maybe in India and other countries they still prescribe it for depression. Selective noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. Selective noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. No, it creates problem. If you don't believe me, I'm the end user. I have not used anything, but whatever medicines I have used, they fall into some category of this. So, selective noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors are very bad for your health. They are very bad. Believe me, the drug companies and the doctors are hand in league with each other to sell all these drugs. Don't believe them, please. Selective noradrenaline dopamine reuptake inhibitors. No, whatever messes up with your brain chemicals, Don't take them. Don't take them. Please don't take them. Just say to the doctor, I don't want. I don't want. You do whatever you can, but I don't want all this. Simple. Melatonin receptor agonists and serotonin 5-HTC receptor agonists. No, they're trash. And especially trazodone. Trazodone uh, uh, is falls in the borderline between sleep and depression and anxiety. Say no to trazodone. Say no to adrenergic alpha 2 receptor. MAO inhibitors, selective noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors, selective noradrenaline dopamine reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, melatonin receptor agonists, and serotonin 5-HTC receptor agonists. All these are very bad, they are trash. Just throw them into the dustbin. You will have nothing. They will give you a racy heart, they will mess up with your brain, they will mess up with your entire system. But fortunately I did my whole blood work, and fortunately for me none of my organs were affected. I have controlled I'm a very controlling person, so I have controlled everything, and I don't listen to any doctor. Don't take their medicines. Again I reiterate, don't take medicines for depression. Don't take medicines. There is hope at the end of the tunnel. Maybe for 2 months. I suffered for 2-3 months only. I had very suicidal thoughts. I had suicidal thoughts. But I am overcoming it. I am in a pretty good position. From November I'm joining my work as and my field is artificial intelligence systems, artificial intelligence ethics. So I'm joining my work. Give me some time and I'll prove myself. So I have got so many things in the pipeline. I'm doing it, but yeah, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'll be putting um, more, you know, more entertaining videos in the I will give you my house too. I mean, give me some time. I'm just recovering. But it takes from this depression, anxiety and all this, it takes a lot of time to recover. But I'm recovering it. I'm on the path to recovery. What will force a control over everything? That will make you a real. I mean, what I have suffered has strengthened my character. I think you don't know very little about me. I will definitely put a more detailed introductory video. Let me tell you what I have done. I have a double masters. I have worked almost 20 years in different companies. I have taught, I have traveled. I stayed alone in Bangalore without my husband. I have faced terrorism in Mumbai. I have faced terrorism in Mumbai. I have faced, yes, I'll tell you about that unfateful day when, I was, I was very upset. I mean, I was worrying for everyone. I was worrying for myself, and when I have a first-hand experience in terrorism, and what I went through that day when the serial train blasts took place in I think the July of 2005. I was a very young girl that time. Okay, so that's that's the story. I have done my masters from National Institute of Technology, Warangal, and in computer vision, artificial intelligence systems, and I was just uh, writing a program for Gaussian blood. So I thought, why not make a video? I have not booked. People have thought I have vanished from the face of the world or I have died or something. So nothing is the case, my friends. I'm pretty alive, ticking and walking and doing my gym and this thing. So let's hope that by November I'm fit and fine. I go here. I think within 2 months I'll be fit and fine, and I'll be going here and there. But these are the 6 classes of medicines which you should not take. Which one should not take? They give trazodone in Canada to horses for controlling their mind, and we are definitely not horses. I am a animal right activist. I'm not a pure vegetarian, but I don't um, take egg, fish and chicken. So, so s- I mean, I'm always sympathetic towards animals. I mean, why are animals are given trazodone? Even I don't know. I mean, I'm very sympathetic towards them. So this trazodone and all these 6 medicines are not fit for anyone's consumption. So that is it. Hare Krishna. I mean, you should be spiritual, but to a certain extent, there should be a mix of spiritualism and rationalism in a person. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.